first idea of composition of life. Now, what he says is your life is nothing but the experiences that you are having. What is your life? Life is defined as anubhavadara, means the flow of experiences, the stream of experiences. Like how you would see the bubbles coming in the fish tank. Blob, 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 those bubbles keeps coming. There is a flow to those bubbles. And each bubble is independent. Remember that. Each bubble is independent. But at the same time, those bubbles create a stream. It's a flow. Similarly, life means the flow of your experiences. Which means, if there is no experience of the world, you are said to be dead. That's why people scream next to the ears of the man who is dead, near the dead body. People scream. He can't hear anything. They put the body into fire. He doesn't feel the heat at all. Why? He doesn't experience. That experience is not there, means dead. Then he goes on to analyzing what is an experience. Experience is made up of two factors, says the subject and the object. The subject is the individual you, the object is the world. Have you seen what is the world? World means anything other than you is world, including your better halves is also world only. Now that world is broadly classified under three sections: nature, wealth, people. Made up of what we interact with. We interact with nature, we interact with wealth, we also interact with people. So those who study the nature, wealth, and people were called as objective scientists. That's called objective science. Generally, we call that as science. Whenever we use the word science, what we are referring to is any one of that. How best we can group people together and make the world a better place to live. How to enhance the comforts, wealth that you can have from the world. How we can harness the nature to our advantage. All this study was done by the scientists, and they have done a phenomenal work. These objective scientists have worked so well. But then the other part of the experience, which is the subject, the individual is left unattended. To attend to that individual is where the subjective science comes into picture. That is what we call as Vedanta. So when we say Vedanta, what we are referring to is the subjective experience, the subjective dimension of experience. The subject who is experiencing, that is you. It's like two chemicals. You add chemical A and chemical B. There is a product. There is a reaction and the product comes in. That is experience. What are the chemicals, sir? One is you, the subject. Another one is the world, the object. Now, if you want to make your life better, you have to make the constituents of life, which is experience, better. If you have to make your experience better, you have to make the constituents of experience, which is the subject and the object, better. So, by improving the quality of the subject and the quality of the object, experience gets bettered. Once the experience gets bettered, your life will get better, automatic. It is as simple as that. So how do you make your life better, sir? You have to make both the world and you. What is interesting is the world was made better, but the individual is not attended to.